Leo, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is to believe in yourself, believe in the original plan, believe in your gifts, believe in your power, believe in your royalty, my kings and my queens. I believe in myself and the beauty of life and the goodness of God. Thus, I have the power to fulfill my dreams because everything's working for you, not against you. Nothing's happening to you, it's happening for you. The will of the Almighty supports me. My life is showered in divine light, and my heart opens to the power of the universe. Guys, I want you to believe in yourself because everything that you're doing is actually prepping you to be able to make it and sustain and be a great ruler at the next level. So once again, let me say this pardon. Nothing's happening to you, but everything is happening for you for your betterment. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.